Hi my loves, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So today I'm shooting this video. It's on 1st of November. I don't know like when you'll get to see this video, and I'm hoping you will. So I have a lot of errands to do. I'm going to Eastleigh to get some baby clothes and also to see if I can get some shears, and I will also be looking for light fixtures and pendants that is in town, and I will also be getting some paints. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to get some paints in CBD. If not, I'll get them in Westlands because I'm looking for a certain company called Jotan. I want to make over my bedroom, and I do not want to use very expensive paints like EG Crown and Duracoat. So I'm going for Jotan because it is cheap or pocket friendly. So I hope I'll be able to take you through the day, and without much further ado, let me go home in a matatu. So nikichukua hii bulb ndogo na hii itakuwa 1280. Ile ni 1500 bila bulb plus bulb. Sasa 280 ni ile ama another design? Which ones last longer? Na lighting, which is brighter, which is better? That's so. Wait, the normal bulbs easy. So I am back again, and I just got home. It's exactly at 7:55. So what I want to do is 7:55. Yo guys, I've tried to do and to achieve everything. This is my baby. I've tried to achieve as much as I can, and it's kind of not possible. So I went for pendants and light fixtures shopping, and apparently I could not decide and time was running out, so I decided to go to EASTLEIGH. Once I got to EASTLEIGH, I wanted to shop for shears, and also there were some clothes I was getting for my baby. That is kindly off topic, but I wanted to explain to you what I got. And I had to, actually by the time I was deciding on what to buy on the clothes store, it was around at 5. So by the time I got to the shear section, I still could not make a valid choice, and I didn't want to rush to make the choice. And also those guys were telling me even if I choose today, they would not stitch because they were about to close. So I decided to leave EASTLEIGH with the items I bought, that is for my baby, and come back to town to get paint. So I got a very nice dealer and a very nice person who gave me very nice advice on the paints to go in with or on these walls. So what I want to do is 7:55, and from what I've discovered or from what I've been told, things like the beds will take a lot of time to dry. The beds will take a lot of time to dry. One, because they are paint, paraffin, or we use something called white spirit, so that takes longer because it is wood, and also I'll not be doing it outdoor, so nitakuwa nategemea upepo na jua when the bed is inside the house. So I am deciding, or rather I've decided, I want to start painting the bed today, like this night, like now. I just got home right now, so I want to start working on the beds, both bed. So that means today we are going to sleep in our living room, but we do not mind. So that after around 5 hours, 6 hours, let's say tomorrow again in the morning, I go in with the second coat and finish maybe by the third coat around 3 or 4 kesho jioni. Then now we spend another, like now the whole day tomorrow, then maybe we will now use our bed the day after tomorrow. And I also, as I'm doing that, I want to try and go in with the paint on my bedroom,